What's up, guys? Today we are going to create one of the cool Python project in which we are going to build out a password generator in Python. So I'm just going to open my Sublime Text and create one of the file and saving out a file by giving a name passport extension py. And now we are just going to import two modules that are built-in modules. First is random module, and after that we are just going to import string. I'm just going to make this passport generator program as much as simple and easy that a beginner can also easily understand out this. Now I'm just going to create one of the array in which I'm just going to give it bunch of alphabets and numeric value and different characters. After that, I'm just going to use random function as a random shuffle function of random modules for changing out the position of a different element in the array. Now if I'm going to print out array, the position of a element in the array is going to be changed. As you can see, I'm just going to comment out this. After that, we need to take an input from a user to find out the length of our passport need to be created out. Or I'm just going to give a variable length and int, and request for a length of passport. After that, I'm just going to run a for loop for selecting random characters or alphabets from array list. After that, I'm just going to create a choice variable in which we are going to use choice function of random for selecting random characters. And we need to create one of the arrays for storing out the passport. I'm just going to create one of the list. Now we are just going to append out these choices in our list. Now if I'm going to print out list, there will be going to be some of the characters in that. I'm just going to give a length of 5, and there are 5 characters in our list. Now I'm just going to comment out this. Sorry, bullshit. Now again I'm going to shuffle, means changing out the position of a list. After shuffling out the list characters, now I'm just going to uh, finally convert the characters of a list in a single string by using a string function. So I'm just going to create one of the variable passport and use a join function of a string. Now if I'm going to print out passport, then our one of the second passport is going to be created out. So finally, if I'm going to run out this, I'm just going to give a length of passport 10, and our strong password had been generated. This is the one of the easiest or beginner project in which you are going to generate a Python, means a password generator in a Python. So if you didn't have subscribe to our channel, please subscribe and like to our video. That's all.